Hi everyone, this is Montana here at Howerton Performance. I have our Heavy Duty Relay Box on the table here this morning. And we are going to kind of look over it, look over some of the features, compare it to our Pro Kit. We get a lot of questions about what the difference is between our Heavy Duty Relay Box and the Pro Kit. So, the basics of the Heavy Duty Relay Box is, as you can see, it is a box, has a quick connect and output terminals. And then you open it up and it has your relays and your fuses. We use 10 relays here, and then the fuse, of course we have 10 fuses that correspond with the terminal strip, and then we have 2 extras here. This is extra just fused outputs. So if you are going to run, buttons on your steering wheel, I don't know, delay box, nitrous controller, whatever, that just needs, a 30 amp fuse, then you can do that right there. And then we have the 5 amp fuse for these switches. Now, I do want to point out that these are 40 amp relays. These are custom made just for us. They are 40 amp relays, but normally we actually limit them down to 30 amps with our fuses. We can do 40 amp fuse on these if, like for example, a shifter that needs a 40 amp to get its full current for a short period of time. Or like a fan, sometimes they're a 30 amp fan, but they'll pull up to 40 amps to get spinning. We can definitely put 40 amp fuse in here. Now, when you get this, basically it just requires a couple of connections, and then you can start running the wire to your components. The battery positive stud is right over here. You're just going to give that a good battery positive connection. Battery size is determined on basically the length of run that you're going to be running. We have a calculator link on our website for that, so you can calculate the length of the battery cable that you need. We have a ground wire over here. This just needs a good clean chassis ground. Put a ring terminal on it. Good clean chassis ground or battery negative, that would be the best, but at least a good clean chassis ground. And then your switch panel is going to plug in. Okay, quick connect for the switch panel. As you can see, we have 8 switches but 10 relays. So on this specific one, the ignition 1 and ignition 2 are split. So the ignition switch, you turn that on and it powers ignition 1 and ignition 2 relays, so that you can run multiple things off of one switch. And then also fan 1 and fan 2. You got dual fans but only one fan switch. So that's how we do that. Now the difference between the Pro Kit and the Heavy Duty Kit, so first and foremost, is going to be the size. Okay. As you can see, the Heavy Duty Kit is quite a bit smaller. Let's get a tape measure on this. Pro Kit is 12 by 12. The Heavy Duty is 9.5 by 7.5. So you're looking at a decent amount smaller there. And that's just because most of all this stuff is put inside the box itself. Okay. The only other major change here is the Pro Kit automatically comes with a solid state for trans brake or nitrous, or really whatever else you might want to use it for. The Heavy Duty doesn't come with that standard. We can add that on, and normally when we do, the board will extend down this way and it will have the solid state right here pre-wired for you. So and it still ends up being quite a bit smaller than the Pro Kit. I mean, it only extends it out to about right there. So It is more compact, a little bit sleeker looking, but it doesn't automatically come with the solid state. We can't add that. Now on the inside of your lid, this one is not completely finished out, ready to ship yet, but it will come with a label on the inside of your lid that will show you what all the relays, you know, which relays do what fuses do what. It will also have your serial number on it. This is for actually a street strip light kit, but it is similar. Not exactly the same, but it is similar. It will show you your fuses and your relays. So yeah, that's the basic heavy duty relay box. If you have any questions, you can look at the kit on howertonperformance.com. You can reach us at 417-545-0396 or howertonperformance@gmail.com. So yeah, if you have any questions, reach out to us and we'll give you an answer. Thank you.